my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this simple scrunchie, and it's very quick and easy. And today I am using a 4.5mm crochet hook, and I'm also using a medium waisted weight yarn acrylic, and you will need a scissor to cut your yarn and a darning needle to weave in the ends. First, we need to make a slip knot. And we want to put a single crochet around this hair tie. So what we need to do is take that hair tie behind the yarn, and we are going to just do a single crochet to start off, right? And we are just going to single crochet and you can squeeze these stitches up together so we could fit more single crochet onto our hair tie. So the more stitches we could fit, the scrunchier or wavy it'll get. So that's what we want. Okay. And I'm just going to continue putting single crochet and every so often I'll squeeze my stitches together or push them together. So I will meet you back once I've covered my hair tie with single crochet. Okay, I am back and I have a total of 40 stitches all the way around, and now I can slip stitch to the very first single crochet, okay, and we will chain 2, and in that same stitch we will do 2 double crochet, and we will put 3 double crochet the next stitch, okay, and we will 3 double crochet the next stitch, and 3 double crochet the next stitch, and that is the repeat for round 2. You'll just put 3 double crochet in each of these stitches all the way around, and I will meet you back once I have mine done. I am back and I've just finished putting 3 double crochet in each of my stitches, and as you can see here, I'm not gonna work into my slip stitch. I'm just gonna leave my slip stitch alone, and I am ready to cut my yarn. And I want to pull that all the way through. I'm just gonna do the invisible join. So we want to go at the top of our chain 2, and then we go back to our last double crochet stitch. Okay, and I'm just gonna go down so I could weave this in. Down at the double crochet stitches down here. Okay. I'm gonna go back so that way I know that it's fully secured there. All the way through, and we cut the yarn, and we're just going to leave a bottom tail as well. Okay. Go. And we're just going to leave this in at the base of our scrunchie. So we're just gonna go into the single crochet down here where the hair tie is sitting. Just be careful not to go into the hair tie. Okay. Now I can actually cut that yarn. Okay. And now there is your completed simple scrunchie. And if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, I do crochet tutorial every week. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you won't miss another video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.